Hello everyone, welcome to Jawad Soomro Productions. Let's begin by creating a new table. There are two ways to create tables. Method 1. Manual. If you are working on single page document, then drawing the table directly would be a better choice. Go to the top menu, then Table. Select Create Table. Shortcut key is Ctrl-Alt-Shift-T. A dialog box will appear. Here, you define the table's structure. Body rows. This is the main content area of your table. Enter the desired number of rows. Let's compose 4 rows. Columns. Define the number of columns you need. Let's compose 6 columns. Header rows. If your table has titles for each column, enter the number of rows here. Footer rows. You can also include footer rows for additional information at the table's bottom. Click OK to create the table. Method 2. Text frame. If you are working on multi-page document, then this method would be a better choice. For example, if I drag this table towards bottom, then the table is not continuing to the next page. But if I create table inside text frame, then tables will continue to next page. Let me show you how. Let's take the text tool. Shortcut key is T. I am going to draw text frame inside the margins. Double click inside the text frame. Go to top menu, Table, and then select Create Table. I am creating table with same settings, 4 rows and 6 columns. Click OK. Click before the table and keep pressing enter until the table crosses the text frame. Now, let's expand this text frame to next page. Click on the red plus icon at the corner of the text frame. Then click on next page margins. See, table just appeared on next page. Now, if I press delete on text frame of first page, then this happens. Table shifted to first page. But at the same time, table is continuing to next page. This is the advantage of using method 2. That is, creating a table inside text frame. Example 1. Let's create a simple product comparison table with 3 body rows, 4 columns and 1 header row. Let's remove everything from this page and recreate the table using method 1. I'm directly drawing the table on this page. You can adjust the size of each cell, rows and columns, but I will explain that in separate tutorial. I will leave the tutorial link in the description. Let's say we have 3 laptop products. Product A, Product B and Product C. So, in header row, I will write feature in first cell, Product A in second cell, Product B in third cell, and Product C in fourth cell. In column, let's write price, screen size, and then battery life. I'm going to fast forward this video until I'm done filling up this entire table. See, this is how you can create tables in InDesign. By the way, you can compose a table in Microsoft Excel and import into InDesign very easily. Also, when you change the values in Microsoft Excel spreadsheet, those values will be automatically updated in Adobe InDesign. To learn more, click on the tutorial link in card on top of this video and below in the description. Example 2. Let's create a simple monthly sales report with 12 body rows, 4 columns and 1 header row. Let's create a new page. To do that, go to Layout, Page and choose Add Page. Shortcut key is Ctrl-Shift-P. I'm going to use method 2. Let's draw a text frame on this page. Create the table with these values. Now, to save time, I'm going to copy this table from Excel file and paste it into Adobe InDesign. Let's format the header rows. With the help of Control Panel at the top, let's change the font style to bold. I'm going to keep the row size to exactly 25 points. You can even add a color to header rows. Let's select the header row. Then open Swatches panel. Go to Window. color, and then choose swatches. Shortcut key is F5. Let's select this bright green color from the swatches panel. See, the header row color is now bright green. Let's increase the cell sizes of all the cells to exactly 50 points. Now, when a table spawns multiple pages, columns or frames, header rows can be configured to repeat at the top of each section. This ensures readers don't have to constantly refer back to tables beginning to understand the data. Formatting tables. You can format the tables very easily. You can add color to the selected cells in the table by choosing the color from swatches panel. You can insert new rows and columns. Right-click on the cell, insert, then choose row. Shortcut key is Ctrl 9. If you want to insert columns, then choose columns. Shortcut key is Ctrl Alt 9. If you want to delete row, select the row that you want to delete. Right-click on it, delete, and choose rows. Shortcut key is Ctrl Backspace. If you want to delete column, select the column that you want to delete. Right-click on it, delete, and choose columns. Shortcut key is Shift Backspace. If you want to combine the cells, then select multiple cells. Right-click on it and choose Merge Cells. You can split the cell horizontally. This will subdivide the rows rather than creating an entire new row. You can even split the cell vertically. This will subdivide the columns rather than creating an entire new column. You can change the border width of the table with a simple click. Just adjust the width value over here. You can further customize your table border through this drop-down menu. Whether you want the border to be thick, thin, dashed, dotted, and all, it's up to you. Table selections. If you want to select entire row, right-click on the cell, select, and choose row. Shortcut key is Ctrl 3. If you want to select entire column, right-click on the cell, select, and choose column. Shortcut key is Ctrl Alt 3. If you want to select entire cell, right-click on the cell, and choose cell. Shortcut key is Ctrl/. If you want to select entire table, right-click on the cell, select, and choose table. Shortcut key is Ctrl Alt A. If you want to select header rows, do this. If you want to select body rows, do this. I hope you found this tutorial very helpful and informative. Have fun creating tables in InDesign. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will reply you as soon as possible. You can email me at 𝗲𝘀𝗲𝗀1988@gmail.com. Follow my Facebook page over here, Jawad Soomro Productions. Follow my Instagram page over here, Jawad Soomro Studios. If you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button and share this video with your friends. If you never want to miss any updates, click that notification bell icon. Now, I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye and take care.